67, meditation on trauma and suffering. On occasion, influenced by our tendencies or circumstances, we can do things that are normally unthinkable. Deluded by empty concepts such as racism or nationalism, people who are not criminals on the face of it commit acts of extreme violence and cruelty. We should remember this when we are harmed by others. And then we will be obliged to conclude that our suffering is the result of a great number of factors, and that it is possible, and that it is impossible to lay blame entirely on one individual or on a single cause. We will then see the problem with different eyes. Like when my van was broken into, and I blamed the system. So many layers. Happy meditating.